That's right, it's true. Apple has announced that it is shutting down our beloved iTunes. We find out why on Split Second Tech. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another Split Second Tech. Again, Apple has announced they will be shutting down iTunes coming this fall and giving it a full replacement. But the question we all have to ask is, with what? This transition is expected to take place right around the debut and launch of Apple's newest macOS, Catalina. So you do have some time to prepare. Apple did say in a press conference, users will have access to their entire music library, whether they downloaded the songs, purchased them, or ripped them from a CD. During the transition phase, any purchased content will move to its respective app, music will go to Apple Music, TV shows will move to Apple TV, and podcasts will go to the podcast app. All right, Aaron, now you mentioned earlier in this video that this was all going to take place around the Mac OS Catalina launch. So what does that mean for Windows users? Well, that means absolutely nothing. Your entire Windows experience with iTunes is going to be exactly the same, and you can still buy iTunes gift cards. And that wraps up this video, bringing us into our question of the day. How do you feel about Apple shutting down iTunes? Leave your answers in the comment section below the video. If you like this video and you found it informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of stuff tech related, all the way from unboxings and news to how-tos and tutorials. I'll link a couple over on the right-hand side of the screen for you. Subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.